Hello, good morning, children. I am your English teacher, Binod Kumar Yadav. Today, I shall teach you topic Do It Yourself, page number 10, question number 2. Underline the special names and encircle the common naming words. As you know, all special names starts with a capital letter and common naming words shows the same kind or class. Today, match your answer from question number 2. Read the following. Underline the special names and encircle the common naming words. Number A. In a small city called Suraj Nagar near Delhi, there lived a man called Sandeep. Here, city is common naming words. Suraj Nagar is special names because it starts with a capital letter. Delhi is a special naming words. Man is common naming words and Sandeep is special names. In the next sentence, he had 3 sons. Here sons is the common naming words. Asu, Nitin and Amar are special names. So underline Asu, Nitin, Amar, Suraj Nagar, Delhi and Sandeep. One day the 3 boys decided to go to water park for a picnic. In this sentence, boys is common naming word. Water park is special names and picnic is common naming word. In the next sentence, their mother prepare food for them. Mother is common naming words. Food is common naming words. So encircle mother, food. She gave 2 buns and a bottle of coffee to Asu, some sandwiches and a jug of tea to Nitin, and some rice and a can of juice to Amar. In this sentence, buns, bottle, coffee are common naming words. Asu is special naming words. Sandwiches is common naming words. Jug, common naming words. Tea, common naming words. Nitin is special names. Rice, can, juice is common naming words. Number B. Sahil sat outside of his father's restaurant. Sahil is a special naming word. Father is common naming word. Restaurant is common naming word. The food corner is special names. Moti Nagar is special names. He had some onions, a bowl of garlic and a basket full of potatoes in front of him. Onions, bowl, garlic, basket. Potatoes are common naming words. Number C. Ritu lived with her parents and grandparents in a small town, Saharanpur. Here, Ritu, Saharanpur are special names. Parents, grandparents, town are common naming words. She went to school in the morning and helped her mother in the kitchen in the afternoon. School, morning, mother, kitchen, afternoon are the common naming words. She had a little puppy named Tommy. Here, puppy is common naming words. Tommy is special names. In the evening, she took him to the small field near the tube well and played with it. Here, evening, field, tube well are common naming words. Number D. Sanjay was looking at the big aeroplane without blinking his eyes. Here, Sanjay is special naming words. Aeroplane is common naming word. Eyes is common naming word. He was going to Mumbai with his uncle who had promised to take him to the famous Gateway of India and the Juhu beach. Here, Mumbai is special names. Uncle is common naming words. Gateway of India and Juhu beach are special names. Sanjay watched the captain and the air hostess dressed in crisp white uniforms. Here Sanjay is special names. Captain is special names. Air hostess is special names. Crisp is Sanjay is special names. Captain is common naming words. Air hostess is common naming word. Crisp is common naming words. Uniform is common naming words. He decided to become a pilot when he grew up. Here pilot is common naming words. I hope that you will understand